So hello everyone. So guess what? Tell me why. You know why? Ta- you know, do you know Virgin Trains? Yeah, you know Virgin Trains. If you don't know, then maybe check in Google. So Virgin Trains is used to be an operator started back in the 1994 to 1990 to 2019. Actually, because it was been like 20 it was been like, because it was a lot of time this came because actually because of Virgin Trains because Network Rail have to be has been had Network Rail had kicked out Virgin Trains because actually no one really like the toilet because no this it says EX sweater for no reason, bro. Actually now change to Avanti West Coast. Now from 2020 to and if anything is finished. It started from 2019 to any years. So because of Virgin Train has been kicked out from Network Rail, so probably probably now the first group had now been joined turn turn into Avanti West Coast. So bye.